Hello my friends, I am Swatilna Pandya. Today I am going to tell about celebration of Teachers Day. How we can celebrate our Teachers Day. Means teachers has a great importance in our life. A teacher can be anyone and anywhere they are. It doesn't matter who are they from, anyone they can be. So it doesn't matter any age also, because a teacher who teaches something great means he or she is your teacher. So today on this beautiful occasion, I'm just going to tell how we should treat with our teacher and how they importance for our life. In our life, we have we have many teachers. Like when we are child, at that time, our first teacher is our parents, who teach us in a very different thing. Means our parents and our home is our prime school, because here there we learn many things. That's means from our parents we learn how to talk, how to walk, and they teach you various things: how to respect others, how to talk with your elders, how to love others. Many things they teach us. Even if how your culture, everything you learn from your family. So family is your first teacher, who teaches in a different thing, who teaches good things, which help you becoming a good person. So our family, our parents and our cousins or our family members is our first teachers. So now on this teachers day occasion, I'm just going to tell how we should treat with our teachers, as they has a great contribution for us, and they help us in a very great manner, because they teach us it very great thing in our life, and they help us to becoming a good person. So what we can give for them? We can't give them money. Is if you will offer them money, or if you will give them prizes, any gifts, I don't think it can help them anyway, because they help us. They share their knowledge with us. They help us to become a good person. So do you believe anything if you will give them that can satisfy them, that can it is there is something, there is any price which for their knowledge? No, there is no prizes which can which can which we can just calculate with their knowledge. No, there is no prizes, or there is no gifts in this world. Money is nothing, you can tell. So on this occasion, I'm just going to tell, don't misbehave with your teachers. Always respect them, give them importance in your life, as they are giving importance in your life. So in this beautiful day, I'm just sharing my experiences, who are my best teachers. As from my childhood days, I really love my teachers. I always give them a great importance in my life, because I know without a teacher's blessings I can't do anything. No doubt many times I have also faced many problems, but I never blame any teacher. Yes, I too I had the partiality, that is a different thing. But if a teacher I always give a teacher in a very there is something a great importance in my life for a teacher. In my school life, I'm just sharing my experience about a teacher whose name is Patnaik sir. He is a great teacher in my life, who actually helped me a lot. He is the only person who told me that what you can do in your life. He told me, he has marked that I love to do social work. He is first person who encouraged me to do social works. Even if I love to, when I was child, I first of all, my best friend is my parents. I always share with them everything. Then my teachers, whom I love actually, I always share with them everything. And whenever I go to my school, I just told my teacher that sir, I have seen this thing, or I have done this, or I have saw a poor child there. The teacher always encouraged me. Okay, you have shown whether you have given something food or not. The child, you have given something. That always he always guided me. But you have done something good. Yeah, you have done something good, I'll give you something for that. I will give you chocolate for that. You are doing a very good thing. Even if he has encouraged me that if you will get good marks than my daughter, then I will give you something precious when you will get that much mark. Even he always encouraged me in a different way, and I love those teachers who always encourage me. Even if at that time I always stood in the first in my school, that's why he has a that's why he has a great importance. That's why he importance me on in a different manner. That is separate thing. Even if I love the teacher very much, even if I always give him more importance because his teaching style was very good. Even if he was a very good teacher, as a person he was very nice. He always he take every student as a good student. even if if a student fell in the class, till then he told the child that no, don't think like that, you are a very good student. Why you are thinking that you have got this much mark? You also can get that from that. No doubt Sweta is doing that much marks. Till then I am just bet that if you read, then you also can get good marks than Sweta. Even if they always encourage every child that do something good. Even if do something, always you have that talent, you can do everything in your life. There is no guarantee, there is no any poor children in this whole world. If God has given talent to everyone and you can do it, why you think that you can do it? You can do it. And his encouraging word, seriously telling, I love his encouraging word. He is a very good person, and as a person I never seen that he is like he is my teacher. I always take him my parents, seriously telling. I always see my papa, means how my papa loves me. I always feel that he is like also in my teacher life. He loves me like that. He always take me as a teacher, as a daughter. He always told me that if you'll get this much mark, my daughter has got this much mark in class 8. Why you are getting this much mark? Your Didi is doing this much. See, she is doing this much, and what you are thinking? You are not getting this much mark. Your sister will be in that person. You will see like that. So he always told me that he is a sister, not. He always take me as his daughter, and that's why I love him so much. And he is one person, that's why I love him so much. And another teacher was there, Das sir, or many teachers are there in my school life whom I love seriously very much, because they help me a lot. They always take me as they are not a student, they take me more than that. And that's why I love my teachers. And especially I'm telling, there is a special kind of feeling if someone teach me something good, means I respect them till my last. No, whatever problem comes in my life, if someone teaching me, if someone encourage me during my problematic life, at that time I really help them. I never forget them. I never forget them who are they, because they help me. They help me when I actually need. So I love my teacher who are there. If a person teach me anything good, means I love them. Whatever any problems comes in my life, no matter whatever problems comes in your life, means I always respect them. I always respect them. He is the one person. And second one is in my college life. There was a teacher was there. uh, uh, he helped me a lot how to becoming good speaking in English. He actually helped me a lot how to speak English in a fluent manner, as I was very poor in English speaking, because I was from Odia medium. That's why I can't speak well in English. And it really, there was a horrible feeling inside me that I can't speak English in a very fluently manner, and my friends are talking in a very well manner, because most of my friends were from English medium and I was from a Odia medium. No doubt my percentage was good, but still then I can't able to talk with my friends in English, because they were from English medium school and I was from Odia medium. No doubt I have given speeches many times, and I have got also many prizes in speeches, but I always give speeches in Oriya. That was my big problem. That's why I couldn't talk with them means fluently in English. Whenever I talk with them, I fear how to talk with them. If there will be any problem, means if there will be any sentence making or any tense kind of problem, what they will think about me. I always fear about that. So even if I told my roommates that please help me, that I have a problem, like I can't talk like you, that I am very poor in English, especially in speech. So can you help me? That most of the time, whenever I beg help to my friends, most of the time I never get any kind of help. Seriously telling, whenever I beg help to my friends, I never get. So, but when they have need, I help them. That's why nowadays there is no special kind of means there is a special feelings for friends, but I'm not that, because I help my friends how much I can. But whenever I want that something from my friends, a little kind of help also, that didn't get. I have not get. I had not get also. That's why at that time I was very much upset that even if that one day I couldn't tolerate this, and I just share my thoughts with my teacher, that sir, I have told them that sir, my concern is very poor. No doubt my percentage is good, but still then I am very poor in English. I can talk with my friends. I feel very much suffocating right now, and I feel the very terrible feelings for that. And he told me that in a very sweet manner, you know why in your class I like you, because of this nature, that I am very fluently. Whatever comes in my mind, I just told them. I just think I never fear anyone. Seriously telling, I don't fear anyone to tell the truth, that I don't know anything, and I fluently tell everything. And sir told me that you are very friend, that's why I will seriously help you. No doubt the teacher always insult everyone, but but he was very good teacher in English, and he also helped me a lot. And he told me many things, how to improve your English speech, like you can read newspaper loudly, or if other people are not helping you, you can talk with yourself. You are efficient. If you are alone, you are we can do miracle. You can do alone many things in your life. And he told me his life history, that how he improved his English speeches, even if his concern was also like me, and how he developed in English language. He told me many stories about his life, and he shared everything. After that, he was like my friend, and he told me everything, how we can help you, how we can improve your English language, and he really helped me a lot. So everywhere in my life, he was a very good teacher who, no doubt, and now also I'm telling that I'm not so still then you can also see that in my English speeches there are many mistakes are there, even if I can speak eloquently like others, but still then I'm now able to speak with you, and now I can give you my ideas. Now also I can share my ideas here also. No doubt I always want to speak very fluently, even if I have told my parents that when my career means I will get time, I will go for English speeches, means a different language I will learn. I actually love to learn different languages, whatever language. Even if I learn, means I know about Bangla or Oriya, the English, the Hindi, that is separate thing. This is our common language. Even if I love to learn about others language, Indian language like Telugu, Marathi, this is a great thing, because whenever I see some new language, actually I love to learn something. Especially I love to learn the languages, because a language has a great value. So that's why I love to learn. Even if say teacher also helped me a lot. Now also I'm telling, whatever I'm talking with you, if now also I'm talking with you, that only because of the teacher, he helped me a lot in my life. And he didn't help me in a very efficient manner, but he just gives me in which path you should follow to reach at that position. He was my path shower, whatever you can say. So a teacher can teach a student in a very good manner. He was my great mentor, and he was my college life, means plus 2 level. After going my our institute, or even if now also in triple eight also, I have also many teacher whom I love very much, very nice teacher also here, who helped me a lot, many ways, any education matter, any doubts, anywhere you can find, anywhere if I really need help, they also help me a lot. So there is a different kind of feeling from my heart to my teachers who actually helped me. And seriously telling, I never had any teacher except those teachers who are really who do partialities, who actually there is something in their mind for good student, bad student, that he partiality, like if you will give some importance on that, they will be in with rich question, and I will give this much student to means importance, then what they will do, maximum they will be get this much amount of marks. But if I'll give this much amount of importance on this student, then they will get this much amount. There will be some separation between some teachers also do. Actually, I had those teachers, because a student can be anyone, and a student can do everything if you are really giving good education. Even if I am also saying that in our class, if some subjects are there, if any subject means some subjects, some teachers are also telling, is teaching us, after they teach us in a very good manner, if you concentrate in your class, then don't you have no need to read in your room, because that will be print in your mind, means they teach you in a very good manner. So if a teacher always focus on their education, means how to teach well to all students, then all students will be benefited. But still there are also some teachers, they always focus on the good students and ignoring the bad students. That's why in that subject students are doing very bad. No, that is a different issue. So even if some teachers also there who are means limit considered. Seriously telling, in my kit also there was a teacher. I don't want to talk about the teachers. He was very bad. Means he was outside the world. Seriously telling, he was very bad. So there was some teachers also there who were very bad. I'm not talking about them. I'm talking about good teacher who can be anyone. Parents, your school, your brothers and sisters, that can be your friends or anyone who teach you. And there is no age limit also. If a small child also teach you something good, means he is also your teacher. So a teacher can be anyone. So always give respect to your teacher, don't misbehave them. Always use their teaching, or always use their means what you are learning from them. Always use that in a proper way. And so there is a great feeling from my heart today on this Teachers Day occasion. I just want to thank every teacher in my life. Even if I'm not going to tell about my I'm not telling about my miss college teacher, school teacher and family. There are also many teachers in our day-to-day life. Even if you can tell about some teacher, you are taking them as your mentor. Like I am just taking about some people pathway, like your means I love Martin Luther King, Dalai Lama or Gandhi ji, or they are my all-time favorite people, because their lifestyle always encourage me. They are also like my teacher. Even if accept them also, there are many teachers, there are many people also present in our day-to-day life. Even if you can say also whom you can take as your password, like Kiran Bedi, who was a past IPS officer. I love them. I love her very much. Like a Cory Broker sir, he also from America, but still then I love him very much. He is a very good teacher. These people are a great mentor in my life and will be forever, because I always take them as my teacher. No doubt they don't take me as their student, but I take them as my teacher, because there is a special feeling from my heart for them. So it doesn't matter what they belongs to, what they are. If I love them, if something I learn from someone, means they are my teacher, no matter who are they or where they from. That's why in this video I'm just going to tell love your teacher, never forget what they have taught you, and always give respect to your teacher. And there is this sloka in our Hindu mythology that Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Sakyat Param Brahma, Tasmai Sri Guruve Namaha. You know what it means? Guru Brahma. Guru means teacher. Brahma means, in according to Hindu mythology, who has created the earth. Means a teacher create a student. How a student should be. Then Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu. Vishnu means who take care of the earth. Means who take care of their children. We are under them. So according to Hindu mythology, means Brahma who created the earth, Vishnu who take care of the children means us, and who Maheshwar means who destroy the world. So these three people are creator of this world. So Guru is means teacher is like a Brahma, like Vishnu, like Maheshwar. Means a teacher built a student. Means when we are child, at that time he teaches how we can be a good person. He develop our mind. He teaches how to walk in a good path. Even if after that it like a Brahma, like Vishnu, he help us and he always motivate us. He take care of us like a children, and then he punishes us if you in wrong path. So a teacher has a different face, and teacher can be anyone. A teacher has like a teacher has got that much. Means a teacher, you should respect our teacher, and a teacher can punish you, can treat you, can help you, can love you like their children. So don't forget their sacrifices, don't forget your teacher. No doubt nowadays, day by day, a teacher student relationship going vanish. Seriously telling, nowadays, even if you see our past past era, you will go our past era. At that time there was a very different stories were there on students teacher relationship, but nowadays it's going to destroy, because now everyone is very self-centered and everyone taking about how they are getting benefited from it. Everything is just like business. They are not taking the students they are not for teaching method. They are just, even students also coming there, they are just commanding the teacher, they are just joining their name in many things. This is happening. But if you go our past era, how they have teacher and student relationship, there was a very different thing was there. Even if there was in our in Sanskrit also, in Sanskrit they have written that how there means there is a student in person life was Brahma means 4 stages of a person. Brahmacharya, that is means Gotyagi, means there was a 4, I forget him fully. Means there was a time also here to a student will be go to their teacher. At that time there was a discipline line, but nowadays we have forgotten about disciplinary. Everything we have forgotten, because nowadays no doubt that we are developing, no doubt we are developing right now, but we are going in a destroying way. And we are also now forgetting the culture. We are now forgetting about the student and teacher relationship. Even if we are now forgetting about all the discipline, everything. So now on this Teachers Day occasion, I am just going to tell, love your teacher, respect them. At least one day give them respect from your heart, as they have taught you something great. So hope you like it. Be a good person first, because if you'll see, I've seen most of the time, most of the students, they feel that they are very good students, they don't need to respect anyone. Seriously, I have seen also many students are there, they feel that, oh my god, I am so much talented person, I don't need any teachers help. Seriously, I don't need any teachers help. But I laugh at them, because they think that they are very good students, but they don't know in the whole world there are many students are them, they are more talented, like means they are more talented than them. Many students are there. If you will see, everyone is talented, but it depends upon you what type of person you are. whether you are a right person or wrong person, that matters a lot. A person, God has given talent to everyone, but it depends upon how they use it. But talent has everyone, but if you are a good person, that's matter a lot, because that will be with you till your last. And now the world need also a good person, because all are very talented, all are need money, all are working or reading for their education, for getting money. Even if you will read the whole day, or if you will just rattamar, means if you will always read your books, be bookish, and you will get also good marks. Or even if you are also do the crime, like if you will do the corruption also, even if you also get the good marks, even if either you are getting your questions or you are increasing your marks, everywhere you can get the good marks. But can you become a good person from this? Can your brain, can your education help you a good person? No. Good person, it is you can also, you can only do. Be a good person. Everyone is educated. You are not the only person who can be educated, who has got the good marks. Many people are there who have got the good marks. But if you are doing something good, something different, means you are different. You have done something different. So do be a good person. Do something good for your teachers. Do a good something nation. Live a disciplined life. Be punctual. Be obedient. Be truthful. Be a good person first, because all are educated. So hope you like this video. Happy Teachers Day. Love your teacher. Respect them. Thank you.